Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the 7 Noahide Laws, a set of universal ethical guidelines. You might be thinking 7 laws? That's it? You heard right. These 7 principles are like the cosmic background radiation of ethics, fundamental, found everywhere, and influencing everything. Let's break them down in just 7 minutes. First up, we've got the prohibition of idolatry. This concept has been around for millennia, deeply rooted in various religious and philosophical traditions. The idea is to avoid placing undue reverence on physical objects, which can distract us from more profound truths and principles. Now, this doesn't mean you can't have a favorite bobblehead on your desk. Personal items that bring joy or comfort are perfectly fine. The key is to not let these objects become the center of your attention or the source of your values. It's about recognizing that there's something bigger than ourselves, a single unifying force in the universe. This force, whether you call it nature, the cosmos, or a higher power, is what truly deserves our awe and respect. Think of it like gravity. It affects us all, whether we acknowledge it or not. Gravity doesn't need our belief to function, it simply is. Similarly, the unifying force in the universe operates independently of our recognition. Idolatry is like trying to worship your coffee mug instead of understanding the principles of heat transfer that make that hot beverage possible. The mug is just a vessel, a means to an end. The real magic lies in the science and natural laws that allow us to enjoy that hot cup of coffee. So, while it's okay to appreciate the mug, never lose sight of the bigger picture. Law number 2 tackles blasphemy. This isn't just about using offensive language or making crude jokes. It's about a deeper respect for the mysteries that surround us. Blasphemy in this context means showing a lack of reverence for the unknown and the unknowable. We're talking about showing disrespect to the very idea of a higher power. This could be a deity, the universe, or even the fundamental principles that govern our existence. When we dismiss these concepts lightly, we close ourselves off to the awe and wonder that they inspire. Look, the universe is a vast and mysterious place. It's filled with galaxies, stars, and phenomena that we can barely comprehend. Each discovery we make only scratches the surface of the infinite complexities that lie beyond our current understanding. We're just starting to scratch the surface of its complexities. Scientists and researchers dedicate their lives to exploring these mysteries, using advanced technology and innovative methods to uncover the secrets of the cosmos. Blasphemy is like claiming you know everything about a black hole when we've only just captured the first image. It's a form of intellectual arrogance that disregards the vast amount of knowledge still to be discovered. It's about intellectual humility in the face of the great unknown. Recognizing that our understanding is limited and that there is always more to learn fosters a sense of respect and curiosity. So, mind your tongue and keep your mind open to the endless possibilities that the universe holds. This one's pretty straightforward. Don't murder. Human life, my friends, is precious and rare in the grand scheme of the cosmos. We're talking billions of years of cosmic evolution leading to this moment. To take a life is to extinguish a flame that took eons to ignite. It's a cosmic no-no. Chapter 4. Keep your hands to yourself. Theft, stealing, whatever you call it, it's a violation of trust. Imagine if scientists stole each other's research instead of collaborating. We'd never make progress. This law is about respecting the efforts and achievements of others. It's about recognizing that we're all in this cosmic dance together. Chapter 5. Now we're getting into the realm of relationships. This law encourages healthy, respectful interactions between people. It's about recognizing the power and responsibility that come with our capacity for connection. Think of it like the delicate balance of forces that hold a solar system together. One wrong move, and things can go haywire. Chapter 6. Remember what I said about human life being precious? Well, so is all life. This law reminds us that we share this planet with other creatures. We have a responsibility to treat them with compassion and avoid unnecessary cruelty. After all, we're all part of the same intricate web of life here on Earth. Chapter 7. Last but not least, we need a system to ensure fairness and justice. Think of it like the laws of physics. They provide a framework for how things work in the universe. Without laws and a way to uphold them, we'd have chaos. This law is about creating a society where everyone has a fair shot. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the fascinating world of the Noahide Laws. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Your support helps us bring more educational and engaging content to you. Dive deeper into the Noahide Laws and see how they can enrich your life. These ancient principles hold timeless wisdom that can guide us in modern times. Remember, whether you're exploring the cosmos or just navigating your daily life, these 7 principles can serve as a guiding compass. They offer a framework for ethical living and personal growth. Until next time, keep those brains firing and stay curious. Continue to question, explore, and seek knowledge. The journey of learning never ends, and there's always something new to discover. Engage with others, share your insights, and be part of a community that values wisdom and understanding. Together, we can make a difference. Take a moment to reflect on what you've learned today. Let it inspire you and bring a sense of peace and purpose to your life. Thank you for being a part of our community. We appreciate your time and curiosity. Stay tuned for more exciting content. This video is just a brief overview. We encourage you to continue learning and exploring the depths of the Noahide Laws. There's so much more to discover.